Can you make a crispy pizza without an oven, using buckwheat? Yes, you can. And listen to that crunch. Welcome to Cooking on the Square Meter. I'm Ma, cooking in our camper van. This is a simple pan pizza you can make anywhere, no oven needed. And as a bonus, it's naturally gluten-free. Ingredients: water, cheese, tomato sauce, basil, buckwheat flour, and a pinch of salt. Make the batter. Mix the buckwheat flour, water, and salt into a smooth batter. It should be about the thickness of pancake batter. Cooking the base. Heat a pan on high heat, no oil or butter. Pour in the batter. Lower the heat to medium and let it cook. You'll know it's ready to flip when the top starts bubbling and looks slightly dry and cracked. The base should release easily. If not, just give it a bit more time. It always does. Add toppings. Spread tomato sauce on the cooked side. Add a generous amount of cheese. Finish with a few basil leaves. Cover with aluminum foil. Let it cook until the cheese is fully melted. Done. And there it is. A crispy buckwheat pan pizza made right in your camper. See you in the next video. Ma.